Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kawai kekali Swift Dzire keberan number ML05R kendai lai sawan riau ya kebalanya de wei barjela ya bela tep kerteng kum usau de Hajan kala Khongpong Hajan ke Ophis rekam jokatnat income tax namar kajing penher stat pelan kani kelaja kat bakani kekali kadang wan na kathan IGP point ban hier sakathan kendai lat Shillong kani kejingja kelaja hak khatlai terek matau bana jemang arajar kat kendai kumba hak por posteng menmet Hakani kamit yo niu nongnya ki pulet kilai lamno sa civil hospital Shillong banle examen yo kadon kajing mensau saki benta basapo jong kamet jongu potla kam sempau kinu gini kidak bawla mensau हम देखाएगा
रुको Oh, dan airbag. Masa action dah tu? Mau? Ya, Pak ya. Hai, mau. Mulai, kemudian ni yang mau.
Yesterday at around 10:15 p.m., say one vehicle bearing registration number around this one ML05R 9346, which was driven by the driver named Saudep Hajong, around 28 years, resident of Laimukra. When he was proceeding from this IGP point towards Kachari, and on reaching at income tax office, he lost control and just hit a roadside footpath, and his vehicle went turtle. So accordingly, the driver was sent for medical examination, and the doctors, they have opined that they have a bit smell of alcohol is there, but he is still controllable. And it seems the doctor has again opined that there is no external injury on his persons. So all the formalities has been observed accordingly, and that's all. The vehicle has been towed.